Alright, what's up guys? This is my new motorized two-stroke bicycle. I'm going to be doing a review of it and even a run through of how it drives and what it sounds like. Alright, let's go. I got my aftermarket exhaust pipe on it. This is the F2 thrust exhaust. It's the best one in my opinion because it gives you the most speed and the most torque for a budget price. This is the stock carburetor. I think that is pretty good, but I might put a new air filter on it because right now it's leaking a little bit of gas on the bottom of it. And everything else is stock. I kind of like the setup right now except for the gas tank. I might get an even bigger one because it tends to run out of fuel after about 6 or 7 runs. And I usually like to ride about 10-15 miles every time that I do a ride. So I think that's pretty good because it gets about 60 miles to the gallon.